everybody, and welcome back to my channel where I like to show you guys a bunch of random things. Yes, you guys know what it is. It is time for Pinch Me. Now, I just recently got another Pinch Me box not that long ago, and I'm not sure why they sent me another one. They sometimes just randomly send you guys stuff. Now, some of you guys say you never get anything. All I say is keep up with your profile. You know, just do that. It took me a while before I got stuff, and then just answer the questions. But all I say is update your profile at least once a week. And I'm gonna say they do send you a bunch of junk email all the time, and I hate it, but I end up sending it to a specific junk email. I read it every once in a while, but unless I know they're sending me something, then I'll go for it. But otherwise, I just let everything go to junk. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got for Pinch Me. Now, Pinch Me is a website that you get to sign up for stuff. You get to sign up, it's free, and all they ask you to do is just rate certain products, and they'll send you some stuff. Now, you usually have Pinch Me Tuesdays once a month on a specific Tuesday. And then what happens is sometimes you qualify and sometimes you don't. I've seen it where I don't qualify and I get magazines like crazy. I got so many magazines, I'm starting to send them out to my relatives because it's like I don't need all of these magazines. So I do get denied a lot on boxes, but I still like to get free stuff in the mail, and I'm excited to see what we have inside. So the first thing I see is some coffee. Now, I don't have one of those machines. I do know a couple people that had it, but they ended up giving me some Starbucks coffee. It's coffee with 2 times the caffeine. It's dark roast and medium roast, and it is for a Keurig machine. So we don't have one of those. Eventually, I want to get one of those just for like hot chocolate, but we don't drink coffee. Actually, my husband's starting to drink coffee, so it might be something to get in the near future, but that'd be something cool for him to try. I also got a you guys, I don't know why, but all these boxes that I get either from Pinch Me or Smart Source or the goodie boxes, they send you, now sorry this is weird, too much vagina stuff. I mean, seriously, I got Vagisil. Like, they always send me more feminine products, and it's like, whatever. So, we got Vagisil. Sensitive Scents. It's a daily intimate wipe. It's white jasmine, and it also included is a $1 off coupon with what doesn't expire for about a whole year. So, thank you. And they're always sending me stuff. And like one video I actually made, but I never posted it because I was laughing so hard I could not keep a straight face. The next item I got is Power Beats on the go. It looks like it's pomegranate. It's like a little drink. It's used as a dietary supplement mixed with 8 ounces of cold water. So it looks like it's just like a flavored thing that you put in water. So my husband's actually gonna like that because I don't like pomegranate. I tried it one time and the texture just kind of bothered me. Here we have a $50 gift card for HelloFresh, $25 off your first 2 boxes. Now, I do HelloFresh all the time, and if you guys click my referral link, you guys actually get $40 off your first box instead of $25. So this is going in the garbage. I know, so depressing. Oh, look at more Vagisil. So here we got some Vagisil Sensitive Scents, and this is a wash or something, like a liquid. So we got something like that. It's not even focusing, but yes, way to go on Vagisil. I know you guys get excited when I say Vagisil, so yeah. And then inside the box, there's some more stuff inside the box. As you guys can see, look at my box. Look at how nice that is. Like, they don't care anything got damaged or anything. And like this is like a liquid, and this has got damaged. It's like, you guys are so glad it didn't explode. Oh my goodness. So here we also got a $3.50 coupon for the Power Beats. You can get it at Walmart, Kroger, Amazon.com, Heb, or Heb, I don't know, and then Myers. So we got that. And then they also gave me a free box of the Grays. I might try this again. I got this one time years ago, and I was very disappointed in it, but the Grays box, I don't know. If you guys want to see me try something like this, let me know. We'll see how it goes, but I liked it. I just didn't like what the price was for this, but I still wanted to just try it, and I'm still trying to show you guys more freebies that you guys can sign up for. But that was my Pinch Me box. I know not the greatest things. Hopefully you guys got a laugh out of the Vagisil. So yes, and I hope you guys enjoyed everything that you see, and hope you guys can sign up for Pinch Me if you haven't already. Please remember, everything is different, so not everybody qualifies at the same time. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all another time for another Pinch Me unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.